Hi there, I'm Sylvie, and today I want to talk to you about our 6 oils of rejuvenation. This is one of my favourite products in the range. This is a magical oil. You will notice a difference when you use this. So this isn't just one oil. It's not just a jojoba or a rosehip. I think we're up to about 7 different oils in here now, and they're in there because they synergistically work with each other. Let me start with one that was always a non-negotiable when I was developing the range. I wanted to have carrot seed oil in this product. And why? Well, carrots are very rich in beta carotene and they are the precursor to vitamin A, and we all know how sensational vitamin A is for a skin. So this will balance all skin types. It's not just for dry skin. It's not just for an anti-aging effect. It balances all skin types. It helps to tighten the pores. It helps to with circulation. It helps with wound healing. It'll help to quicken the healing phase. It is non-clogging. So that's just one oil. And then we have avocado and we have rosemary. They're great for cell turnover. We have sweet almond, we have jojoba, we have evening primrose, and they are for, moisturization. They are for antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. They have omegas. So again, just some great vitamins and benefits for the skin. Let me talk about Lang Lang, which is in here. And this is one of the things I tell people when you are massaging this oil into your skin, please breathe in the essential oils. They're in there for a reason. Now, Lang Lang is a mood enhancer. It helps to banish negative emotions. So especially useful at this time of all this uncertainty that we're going through. So it is great for regulating the skin as well. Now, and when this oil is massaged into the skin, it helps to eliminate toxins and to plump the skin. So a beautiful calming oil that you can incorporate into your nighttime routine. I guarantee you will see results with this. If you don't like the little, oil on your skin, pop your moisturizer over the top of it at night. You can even add 1 or 2 drops in the morning with your moisturizer, or some women like to add a drop or 2 to their foundation. So a great oil. I guarantee you will not be disappointed.